I don't know, life here. I was supposed to have a guy with a backhoe come this morning. It's going to be there 8:30. So I went at 8:15. I'm waiting, gave him a phone call, no answer. And then at like 9 o'clock, I said, okay, I'm not going to sit here all morning. So then I just hear from him, oh, I'm up here now. I said, and nobody's here. I said, well, I was there at 8 o'clock. Oh yeah, I got kind of a late start. So now my whole morning, I was doing projects at the house. Anyway, it's here. Well, it wasn't exactly how I planned on doing my Saturday, but the backhoe guy is getting done what we need to have done, so that's how it goes, I guess. He's got the back as much as he can done. There's one section I can't take apart yet because I need the cement truck to go on there, make it easier to pour the slab I've got to do. And there's one other section he can't fully do because there's stuff in the way, but he can put piles. I'm guessing he's going to be pretty much done today. That's my guess. And boy, is it hot. Really hot. Okay, I know it's 2 o'clock, but I just grabbed something to eat because I was getting hungry, and I got to head back up, and he should be almost done with the, well, one part. Then he's got a mountain of sand that's got to be moved and put in certain places. So I got to get back up there. So given all that, I didn't get what I had wanted to get done, but I don't know. That's how that goes. It's all part of the fun of doing these things, which a lot of people don't understand. You have to do what you have to do in order for the job and the project to keep going. So that's a whole nother topic there. Well, the excavating's done for now. I'll have to have them come back at probably within 2 weeks, I think, if all goes well, or less. But we got sand moved, we got ditches for electric lines put in, pretty much everything that had to be done. And I mean, the guy was amazing. I'd never seen him before, and I found out he's from Nassau. That's why I just came over to do some weekend jobs. All day. He never got off the machine, never had anything to drink, never had anything to eat, never took a break. Really incredible.